Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya. I'm Bier and today I'll be teaching you about the days of the week.
Okay, Bier, so days of the week, nice and easy. How do we say Monday?
My worst days, Wan Jan.
Wan Jan.
Wan Jan.
Okay, Tuesday?
Wan Angkhan.
Wan Angkhan.
Yeah.
Wednesday?
Wan Put.
Wan Put. Thursday?
Wan Purahat.
Oh,
That's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, Wan Purahat. Wan
Wan
Purahat.
Purahat, yeah.
Okay, Friday?
Wan Suk.
Wan Suk. Saturday?
Wan Sao.
Wan Sao. And Sunday?
Wan Atit.
Okay, I noticed you use the word wan at the front of every one of those. Is that something that everybody would do, or would they shorten it and just say suk or sao?
I mean, you can shorten it to suk, sao, up to you. But I mean, one pretty much means day, so.
Okay. And do Thai people generally like lose the wan part at the front? So if I'm talking to a Thai person, they just say, oh, blah, 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 suk. Have I got to try and understand, oh, they're actually saying wan suk?
Actually, I'll take that back. I think it's best you do say one in front of what you're talking about. Because if I say suk kind of means like happy.
Oh, okay.
And it also means Friday. So one suk is better.
Happy Fridays, there you go. All right, cool. Okay, so let's just quickly recap then. Monday.
Wan Jan.
Tuesday.
Wan Angkhan.
Wednesday.
Wan Put.
Thursday.
Wan Purahat. Wan Purahat.
Friday.
Wan Suk.
Saturday.
Wan Sao.
And Sunday.
Wan Atit. Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. You can comment below any words that you don't understand and I can help you with that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications of my next episode. If you would like to support my channel, please click on the link below, buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.